In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with a YouTube video in NotebookLM. By the end, you'll be able to ask clear conversational questions about a video and get precise answers drawn from its content, which is perfect for studying, research, or quick clarification. Start by heading to your NotebookLM workspace. Once you're in, create a fresh notebook so you have a clean place to work. Look for the option to add a new source and choose the website or YouTube option. This tells NotebookLM that you're bringing in a link rather than uploading a file. Now open the YouTube video you want to analyze in a separate tab and copy its full URL from the address bar. A quick tip here, make sure you're using a video that's publicly accessible or unlisted with a shareable link. Private or age-restricted videos may not load correctly, and shortened or broken links can cause errors. It's best to copy the link directly from the browser to avoid missing characters. Go back to NotebookLM, paste the YouTube link into the source field and click Insert. Then wait patiently while it processes. The generation time can vary based on the video's length and the availability of its transcript. Behind the scenes, NotebookLM is pulling the video's transcript and related details so it can accurately answer your questions. Avoid navigating away or clicking around too much while it loads. Giving it a moment helps ensure everything is captured properly. Once the source is added, you'll see the video listed in your notebook. Now you can begin chatting. Type your question into the chat box, just like you would message a colleague. Ask for a concise summary, definitions of unfamiliar terms, explanations of key ideas, or a breakdown of a specific segment. The more specific you are, the better the response. If you remember a moment from the video, mention the topic or approximate time to focus the answer. You can also ask follow-up questions in the same thread, so NotebookLM keeps context and refines the details. If something doesn't load as expected, double-check that the link is correct and that the video is available to view. If it still takes a while, give it another moment. Longer videos naturally need more processing time. That's it. You've added a YouTube video to NotebookLM and started a focused conversation with it. Use this workflow anytime you need clarity, a quick summary, or a deeper explanation drawn straight from the video's content.